The overall goal of this experiment is to describe how to fabricate slippery surfaces with high temperature resistance and to investigate the anti-adhesion effect of the as-prepared surfaces at high temperatures.
This method can help answer key questions in the biomedicine field, such as the soft tissue adhesion problem on the electrosurgical instruments. The main advantage of this technique is that the prepared slip surfaces can achieve excellent anti-adhesion at high temperatures. Demonstrating the procedure will be Liu Guang, a graduate student from my laboratory.
To begin this procedure, design and fabricate the photomask as outlined in the text protocol. Next, wash the stainless steel plate in alkaline solutions at room temperature for 15 minutes. Using an ultrasonic cleaning machine, thoroughly clean the plate at working frequency of 40 kHz and an ultrasonic power of 500 watts. Then, rinse it sequentially with deionized water, N-hexane, acetone, and ethanol for 10 minutes each. Place the washed plate on a hot plate set to 150 degrees Celsius. Cover the stainless steel with a sheet of aluminum foil and leave it on the hot plate for 30 minutes to dry. After this, transfer the steel to a spin coater, placing it in the center. Using a dropper, deposit about 1 milliliter of positive photoresist on the plate, starting from the center, and move